How to make easy breaded onion rings. First things first, we slice the onion. And then we separate them into rings. So here we need 3 bowls. First bowl is for the all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and pepper. And then we mix them well. The second bowl is for the 2 beaten eggs. And the third bowl is for the Panko breadcrumbs. So we need to dunk the ring first into the flour mixture, then to the eggs, and back to the flour mixture, and then to the eggs again, and finally to the breadcrumbs. Now make sure that your pan has enough hot oil. So here I started frying the rings. So as you can see, the rings were not fully submerged, so just cooked each side for 1 minute. And then you're done. Thank you for watching.